Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you are someone who tried of spending hours looking for the one perfect stock image, or worse, paying a premium for generic visuals that barely fit your creative vision, then what I am about to show you could save you more than just time. In this video, I am going to reveal a simple yet surprising powerful tool called AI Stock Image Generator. We'll go over what it does, what it doesn't, and how it actually performs in real world creative workflows. And I'll walk through who is this best for, where it might fall short, and what unexpected advantage it unlocks the most reviews completely miss. And stick around till the end because I'm offering 5 exclusive bonuses if you decided to grab this tool using the link in my description. It's my way of making sure your $16 investment stretch even further. Alright, let's kick things off with a quick overview of what this tool is all about. AI stock image generator. So here's the gist. It's a credit-free prompt-based image creation tool, but what sets it apart is just isn't tech, it's a simplicity. It comes up with a point-and-click prompt builder featuring 11 dropdowns that guide you to build effective image prompts without needing to speak AI. And there is a stock photo prompt guide that help you to craft more targeted specific instructions to get closer to your vision. And there is no credit system, which means you can generate unlimited image without ever worrying about running out. And it's like having a 24/7 image creation assistant who never asks for a raise. Pretty funny, right? Pros and cons. Let's get into the experience sides of things. What it actually feels like to use this tool. Pros: friction-free setup, no bulky softwares, no stepping learning curve. You get to a guide and a prompt builder and a generator, and that's it. And unlimited image generations, so you don't need to rational credits or stress about wasting one of the bad output you experience freely. And the third thing is deep customization. Want a 1930s black and white portrait with a subtle smile and a rising hand? You can dial it in and level these details. And credible seller, the creator Max is a respected marketer with solid rating and refund policies. That trustworthiness matters more than most people admits. Cons: there is no live demo videos. If you are someone who needs to see a walkthrough before buying, you might miss that here, but I'll include some sample images so you can judge for yourself. And stylistic bias: some of the presets may lean into certain aesthetics or niches. It's flexible but not magically universal. And price wise, it's just $16. That's about the cost of the one stock image or premium sites. Expected here, you'll get an unlimited generation. And product review, let me show a few AI generated samples so you can get a better feel for the type of visuals this tool produces. Ratings and final verdict. It's easy to set up, so I'm giving 4 out of 5. And for pricing, I'm giving 4 out of 5. And value for money, again I'm giving 4 out of 5. And for image quality, I'm giving 4.5 out of 5. In a creative world where speed, flexibility, and uniqueness are a new currency, these tools earn its place. So if you are someone who wants to stop relying on boring stock photos libraries and need custom visuals fast, like the idea of full creative control without tech hurdles, then stock AI generator might just be one of the smartest title investment. So it's a bonus time. Now, if you decided to grab this using my link below, I put it together a bonus bundle that complements this tool perfectly. 100 plus ready-made templates for video editing, then viral video script wallet, AI video content generator script, and AI automation ebook, and the final one is cartoon animation video bundle. All 5 bonuses are unlocked automatically after purchase through the link in the description. And that's the wrap for today, guys. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like, drop a comment. If you have a question, and subscribe so you don't miss future bonuses and inspired tips I share you in the YouTube shorts. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.